Shopping. Guys, I don't think we have enough space. 12 bag of coals is literally back on the road again. KFC. Time. Nah, bro, KFC is the literal best. This is so crispy and yummy. There's no way something is... 3 buckets, please. Excuse me, sir. No, that is too much. You're gonna get diarrhea. 3 buckets! 3 KFC buckets. Okay! Oh, Big is back. Back at the camping. Again. Plant a salad. It's good. Is this a dream or am I just looking at a castle? Why is there just bodyguards here? I'm gonna wear these cars. Never mind. Hello, I am the king of... Can I please have all your gold? Please take this. It's very, very... Yes, sir. Thanks for everything, bro. Thank you, king. Thank you. Now I am the king. Bro, why is there a bag at the... I got it from a castle. And don't ask where and why and how and when and... Yeah. Is that even a cake? What? Bike back on the cart again. Later. Do you like our new building? Yeah. To be